All right, so ladies and gentlemen, what we are going to do today is we are going to find, just like yesterday you were practicing on someone else's portrait, where the value planes are. You're going to find the value planes in your photograph. So the first thing you need to do is go File, Open, and go wherever your photograph is. Mine happens to be in my downloads, and I'm going to open it up. So that's File, Open, and then I've got my image. So there are two things we are doing to this. We are making it black and white, and then we are going to make it so that you can see the value scales. Both of these things that you're going to do are here in adjustments or in image. They're in image adjustments. So both things that you need, you go to image adjustments. The first thing is we are going to make it black and white, and what that is desaturate. Desaturate gets rid of all the colors but leaves all the grayscale. So desaturate makes it a black and white image. Next, once again, image adjustments. And this time you're going to go to a special filter called Posterize. Now Posterize defaults at 3 levels, which is essentially light, medium, and dark. That's a little too simple for what we are going to do. What I want you to do is to go to at least 5, and you'll see the difference between, so let's look at 3. So see how little detail we almost completely lose the nose and the mouth. If we go to 4, you get the mouth back a little bit and you start to get the nose. And if we go to 5, we get that shape of the cheek, we get the shape of this cheek over here, and we start to get the mouth. Now, this means that I'm going to have 5 colors in my final. 5 is the minimum. If you are looking at your portrait and you do not like this, you want to get more colors, you want to get more value in there, you can bring this up to 6 or 7. Let's see how that makes all of the shapes a little smaller, but it also makes you a little bit more realistic. I would avoid, let's see how 10 looks. I would go less than 10. So 5 is the minimum. I'm going to call 10 the maximum. I'm going to do mine at the minimum. And then I'm going to click OK. All right, so now what you're going to do is you're going to come up here. You're going to rename yours. I am renaming mine Value Portrait. Ooh, I forgot the R. Value Portrait. And then I'm going to click OK. And then I'm going to go File, Export as, JPEG. I'm going to pull the quality all the way up so it's nice and big. And then it's going to save. Then I'm going to go over to today's assignment, which is Planes of Your Face PhotoPea, and I am going to turn in that image. So as soon as you have done that, stick that image into your Google Sketchbook as well onto the PhotoPea values Planes of Your Face assignment. And that is it. So then you can go and work on drawing your portrait. We're going to come back to doing these value planes next week.